What up, YouTube? Today I will be doing the wheel of names of my 20 favorite tag teams in a tournament. The last person on the board will win. And it will be the thumbnail of this. No, it's not going to be the thumbnail of this video. I will put them in my Fed Simulator for a month. So let's see who's getting put in my Fed Simulator for a month on Monday Night Raw. Some of these teams are already in it, but you know what I mean. So the first team eliminated will be the Dudleys. So the Dudleys did not make it to my Fed Simulator. Who's next? The Undisputed Era? 3-time NXT Tag Champs. Deuces to that team. Rated RKO. Sad. The Good Brothers, Luke Gallows and Carl Anderson. So Luke Gallows and Carl Anderson are out. The Rockin' Sock. Why? The Rockin' Sock is out. Now, whichever team wins, I'll put them in my Fed Simulator. You know how it works with singles match. A match every episode of Raw, a match at the pay-per-view. The last event, American Alpha's out, but the last event will be for the championship. For these, it's going to be either Raw, SmackDown Tag Champs, maybe even AEW Tag Champs if I choose to do AEW. Too cool. They out. And I can even do Hall of Fame and make with the World Heavyweight and the World Tag Champs, but I'm going to do some. Street Profits are out there. We're on a roll. Also, I'm also trying to putting Bret Hart in NXT. Sooner or later, Bret Hart in NXT will be announced. The Hardys are out. So RP to the Hardy Boys. Who's next? It is the Usos are out. Harlem Heat came close to being eliminated there. Edge and dang, no way. Edge and Christian. I should. Dang, bruh. The New Day. It's very sad because I guarantee that New Day are a very good tag team. Next we got Eminem. So yeah, we got Eminem eliminated, John Morrison, Joey Mercury. And next we got DIY. Champion Gargano. Next elimination is The Miz and John Morrison. So it will be either AEW team or Hall of Famer team. It's down to LOD, D-Generation X, Harlem Heat, and The Revival. So who's it gonna be? Harlem Heat is out. Booker T and Stevie Ray. Oh, my arm. D-Generation X, the most legendary tag team of all time, has been on LOD and The Revival. Wow. The Legion of Doom will be in my Fed Simulator from Lent on a random brand. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.